So the union budget presented today?
One thing which I noticed was she wearing a beautiful handloom sari which depicts our Indian culture. Another thing which was worth noticing was she presenting the entire budget from Digital Tab, which also promotes our Digital India initiative.
Yes, I liked her emphasis on women empowerment, especially such as initiatives like Lakpati Didi and the support for self-help groups.
Yeah, and the government wants to encourage vaccination against cervical cancer in the age group of 9 to 14, which shows that government's concern towards women's health.
Yes, and did you see the economic vision by 2047? The government seems determined to address the systematic inequalities and achieve socio-economic transformations.
That's a bold vision. I'm interested in housing scheme for middle class and push for sustainable development, especially for rooftop solarization for free electricity to households.
Yeah, and the government wants to increase milk products and milk production through its policy initiatives, and it is focusing on Atmanirbharta, that is self-independence in.
Yes, what about the healthcare and education initiatives? The extension of Ayushman Bharat to all ASHA and Anganwadi workers is a significant move.
Absolutely. Investing in healthcare and education is crucial for long-term development. It's encouraging to see governments focus on economic growth and employment generation.
Yeah, and the government's efforts to alleviate poverty through PM Mudra Yojana, under which government has brought out 25 crore people out of poverty in the last decade.
Yes, the finance minister addressing the global complexities and India's successful navigation through them is quite reassuring. The next generation reforms and the mention of India, Middle East, Europe economic crisis is quite promising.
It is evident that government is gearing up for future. The discussions on global affairs, financial sector strengthening, and commitment to tackling challenges head-on make me optimistic about India's economic resilience.
Yeah, overall it's a well-rounded budget, and the policy initiatives are unprecedented for the next 5 years, and we will see well-rounded growth, and the government's emphasis is on outcomes rather than outlays, which is quite noteworthy.
Absolutely. It will be interesting to see the impact on ground. Let's stay informed and be ready for the changes based on these policies.